All right, today we're diving into something really special in the world of AI. Imagine a high-performance engine that runs these incredibly powerful language models right on your own machine, but with, get this, zero dependencies. This is the official launch of PasLLM.
So if you've ever tried to run a large language model locally, you know the pain, right? You want all that incredible AI power, but instead you get stuck in this nightmare of complicated setups and endless dependencies. It's a huge frustration, and it's the exact problem we're going to solve today. I mean, the challenge with local AI right now is, well, it's pretty clear. You're usually fighting with complex Python environments, you're downloading these absolutely massive multi-gigabyte model files, and you're always kind of wondering about the privacy risks of using cloud services. The setups are just so complicated, and the whole thing is built on this fragile web of dependencies where one little thing breaks and poof, it all comes crashing down.
So what's the answer to all this chaos? Well, meet PasLLM. This is native AI, totally unleashed. It's your local, completely dependency-free engine for LLMs.
Okay, so what exactly is PasLLM? At its heart, it's a super high-performance inference engine for large language models. And here's the kicker. It's written entirely in pure Object Pascal. Now, for those who know, that's a powerful, compiled language famous for creating incredibly fast, native applications. And what that means for you is that it runs these state-of-the-art AI models directly on your machine with absolutely zero need for Python or any other external libraries to do the job.
Let's just break down these core features, because this is where it gets really good. First off, it's 100% pure Object Pascal. That means zero, and I mean zero, Python or C++ dependencies. That's a huge win for just simplicity and stability. It's fully cross-platform, so Windows, Linux, macOS, you name it. It's been highly optimized for CPU performance, and it even comes with ready-to-use applications, both command line and graphical ones. And maybe most importantly, because it's 100% local, your data, your prompts, they stay completely private.
And when you put it side by side like this, the difference is just night and day. Traditional AI stacks. You've got interpreters, you've got those complex dependencies, and you're often tied to the cloud. With PasLLM, you get pure, native, compiled code. It's simple, it's self-contained, and it works completely offline. Honestly, this is a massive shift in how we can think about building with AI.
So you might be wondering, how does PasLLM run these enormous models so efficiently on a regular computer? Well, the magic behind it is a process called quantization, and it's all about getting maximum quality in the absolute minimum size. Basically, quantization is a way to shrink these giant AI models down to just a fraction of their original size. The analogy on the screen is perfect. Think of it just like how an MP3 compresses a huge audio file into something much smaller. The whole goal is to make the model smaller and faster, but without losing the quality and accuracy that makes them so amazing in the first place.
And here is where PasLLM really starts to shine. See, it doesn't just use the standard, off-the-shelf quantization methods. Oh no. It introduces its own custom, state-of-the-art formats, the Q4NL series. And this is a major leap forward for model optimization.
Okay, so standard 4-bit quantization, it's pretty good. It gets the job done. But it uses a pretty basic linear method to rebuild the data. PasLLM's formats, on the other hand, use this incredibly clever technique called nonlinear tail reconstruction. What that means is it intelligently gives more precision to the most important but less common data points, the so-called tails. The result? You get way higher quality for a file size that's pretty much the same. It's just smarter.
And hey, don't just take my word for it, the numbers absolutely back this up. Just look at this comparison. While the standard formats are totally solid, PasLLM's custom Q43NL format, sitting at just 4.75 bits per weight, hits that top-tier 5-star quality rating. Its adaptive nature lets it optimize for every single block of data, which really does make it the best in its class for this size.
So what does this incredible level of optimization actually mean in practice? It means PasLLM's quantization can achieve a staggering 99.97% of the original full-precision model's quality. That is practically lossless performance at a tiny fraction of the size. It's amazing.
Okay, so the tech is obviously super impressive. But what about the models? What can you actually run with this thing? Well, get ready, because PasLLM supports a whole world of your favorite architectures right out of the box.
And when I say extensive, I mean it. We're talking all the heavy hitters here. Llama 3, Qwen 3, Microsoft's 5.3, Google's Llama, Mixtral, the list just goes on and on. This is not some little niche project. This is a mature, robust engine that's ready for some serious work.
And you know, PowerLLM gives you so much more than just the core engine. It provides a complete set of tools that can fit right into whatever workflow you have.
So whether you're a command line junkie who lives in the terminal or you prefer a good old graphical interface, PasLLM has you totally covered. It comes with a powerful command line tool plus 3 different GUI apps, one built with a cross-platform FireMonkey framework, another one using VCL for that native Windows look and feel, and even one for the Lazarus ID, which is super popular in the FreePascal world.
So are you ready to jump in? Because the best news of all is that you can get started with PasLLM right now, today.
And it is so straightforward. Seriously, you just visit the GitHub repository, you grab the pre-quantized models from the link they've got right in the README file, and then you just open the project in either Delphi or FreePascal and hit compile. It's really that simple to get a powerful, totally private AI running on your machine.
Let's talk licensing real quick, because it's super flexible. The project is available under the AGPL 3.0 for all your open source projects, which keeps it free for the community to use and build upon. But if you want to use PasLLM in a closed-source commercial application, there's a commercial license available for that too. You just contact the author for the details.
And believe me, this is just the beginning. The roadmap shows a really clear vision for where this is all going. There are plans for GPU acceleration using the super powerful PasVulkan framework. There's future support for multimodal models, ones that can understand images and audio. And they're looking at integrating brand new architectures as they emerge. The future is bright.
Now, what's maybe the most incredible part of this entire story? This whole project is the work of one developer, Benjamin Rousseau, also known as B-Row. It is just an amazing testament to the power and the passion of individual creators in the open source world.
So what does this all mean? It means we now have a tool that makes powerful, native, and truly private AI accessible to a whole new world of developers. So I guess the only question left to ask is, what are you going to build with it?